Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Wondershare Filmora app. Today I'm going to show you how to import media such as your photos, audios and videos onto your timeline. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Filmora application and then create a new project to begin. When you create a new project, this is how your window will look by default. Now, when the media tab is selected, you can find the import button, which you can click on to directly import your video. If you get a prompt asking you to create a proxy file, make sure to choose yes, while also selecting do not ask again. This will increase the performance so that your playback will be smoother. Now, when you click on the import media button, you can import anything from PNG images to audio and video files. When you import your media, you can find them within the media tab. There's a filter option at the top, which will allow you to choose between video, audio, images and subtitle, as well as compound clips. Now, if you wish to add any of your media onto your timeline, simply click and hold and drag and drop. You might be asked to choose the resolution, and if you are asked to choose whether you would like to match to media, then you can choose to keep your project settings or use the properties of the media. We'll get back to this later, but for now, let's choose to keep the project settings. Now you can find your video file that has been imported onto your timeline. It will be placed within the video section. If you import an audio, it will go onto the audio section of your timeline. Now, for instance, if you drag another video, then you have the option to place it on the same layer, or you can add it on a different layer, and this will now create a new layer for your video. You can do the same with audio, and you can just use the video layer for any images. Once you are able to add your contents or clips to your timeline, you can now begin your editing journey on Filmora right away. Now, coming back to the project settings, whenever you create a new project, just click on the File menu at the top and click on Project Settings. You will now be able to choose the aspect ratio, the resolution, as well as the frame rate and color space. Now, based on which platform you're making contents for, you can modify your project settings before you begin to work on your videos. And there you have it. That is how you can import media, such as your videos, audios, and images onto your Filmora timeline. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.